Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sir, do we
Walaikum
have a
assalam.
quiz today?
Yes, in next class, inshallah. Okay. We have two consecutive
Sir,
classes.
I want to ask you something.
Yes.
It will be online or no? Teacher.
Yes, it will be online.
No,
Hello.
we have
No, it will be from quizzes.com or maybe from Google Drive. Okay, it's a surprise for you.
Today, sir?
Open your books, page number 36, please.
Sir, I sent it to you the video of
Yes,
of
it
the
was
water
excellent.
cycle.
Many of them sent me, and those were brilliant. Excellent.
Okay, why I did not send it in the group?
No, I didn't send because videos were heavy. So,
Hi, teacher.
okay. Hello, Umar
Hi,
Muhammad.
teacher.
Hello, Mr. Umar Muhammad. How are you?
Hi.
Okay.
Teacher,
Sorry, open your mic again.
teacher, do we have quizzes today?
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, welcome. So, page number 36, dry and damp air. Know that air contains water vapor. That's what you know. This is grade 5. Open your books, page 36, 37. Air contains water vapor, and when this meets a cold surface, it can condense. Like here, you can see the surface which is outside of the glass. Omar, don't write in the chat box, please. Here you can see water
Okay.
outside of the glass, which is not leaking, which is condensing. The water vapor into the air, they are condensing with the cold surface of glass and they show as water. Cold surface, it can condense. Here you can see. The big idea is air is made up of lots of gases, including water vapor. As you know, water vapor are also air, steam, water vapor, gas. So we can say different names for this. Water vapors are gas. So air is made up of lots of gases. Like what? Like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, many of them. Look at the photograph opposite yani khalf. What can you see? What can you see? We can see a cold drink with water droplets outside. They are running down the side of the glass. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, this cold water.
Who is Battal Mansoor in your class?
ما فيش بتال منصور.
Okay.
He's
so
a new
Fahad
student.
Subeti. They are, I think, from grade 3. So let them wait. Okay. So here we will write for this question. Look at the photograph opposite. What can you see? We can see water droplets running down. Okay, right here. A glass with droplets running down the side of glass. So this one you will write here. A glass with droplet running, sorry, it was here. So let's make it A glass with, you can write condensed okay, with condensed droplets. Okay, so you can make it squeezed. A glass of water with condensed droplets. Why is this happening? Because of condensation. Because of condensation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because of condensation. You may have noticed droplets of water forming a cold water. Where does the water come from? Yes, give me the answer. Where
From
does
the
the water
ice.
from
Ice.
the ice is
Ice.
inside the glass. The ice is inside the glass. So how come it is coming out?
Evaporate.
Flakes.
From the air. From the air, because there is water in the air, as you know, water vapor. So that comes from the air. The air touches the cold surface and then it shows droplets. So that means water, the droplets from the air, the water vapor from the air, they touches the surface, which is cold surface, and they condense into water droplets. Okay, Omar, open your mic and read from here.
Yes, teacher.
The water hasn't
The water hasn't come from the drink. It has come from the air. You cannot usually see, smell, or feel water vapor, but it's there. As the water vapor in the air cools, it turns back from a gas into a liquid. You will remember that. You will remember that this is called condensation.
So you remember this is called condensation from air or from gas to liquid, that is called condensation. Yes?
Teacher,
Yes, Mr. Khalid.
I can say in very dry. Can say
Very dry,
no.
what
I
very dry?
can read. 'Cause-
Yes, read from here. A very dry.
Okay. In a very dry
Climate.
climate, there isn't much water vapor in the air, but there is some in water.
Some amount
Water
of
region.
water.
Oh, water
Amount, yani adad, amount.
amount in water. There
Vapor.
are regions there in the air, but there is some in water regions. There can be a lot of water vapor. The amount of water vapor in the air is called the humidity.
Humidity. Abdullah Muhammad, read the last one. Did you know?
Okay. Did you know at sea level? Okay. Air at 13 centimeter can hold 28 grams of water vapor per cubic meter of air. Air at 10 centimeter can hold only 8 grams of water vapor per cubic meter of air. This means that warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air.
Nice. Muhammad Ibrahim Somali, are you there? Muhammad Ibrahim Somali. Usama.
Teacher, I can read.
Wait 1 minute. Usama is there, okay. غايبين في إبراهيم الصومالي وأسيل. Okay. So, open page number 37. On page number 37, we have some places, we have country and rainfall per year millimeters in millimeters. Like what? Like here you can see in Arica, which is in Chile, 0.8 millimeters per year. Like if you say place, yani Taif, or country, yani Saudi Arabia, or rainfall, yani kam matar iji fil sana, fi wahid sana. This is written here. Okay, place, yani makan, country, yani balad, or rainfall, yani matar. Per year, yani wahid sana, millimeter, this is the measurement. Okay. List the 3 driest places shown in the table above. This is the table above, which are list the 3 places. The driest 3 places, you can see Arica, which is 0.8. Then we have Al-Kufra, which is in Libya, 0.8, the same. And Aswan, which is 0.8. 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. Here you can see 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. The driest places are Al-Kufra, Aswan, and Arica. So you will write here Arica,
Mister, where's the coffee?
Kafran. It is in Al-Kufra, basically, not Kufran, Al-Kufra. Sorry. Aswan, Kufra, and Arica, which is in Libya. Al-Kufra is in Libya. So you write here Arica, number 1. Number 2, you have Al-Kufra. Al-Kufra. This is a proper noun. Al-Kufra. And the third one is Aswan. These 3 places are driest in this table. Write the name of wettest place shown in the table. Wettest yani fi matar marra ziyada. That is Lioro. Lioro, which is in Colombia, and the rain is 13.300 or 13,300 millimeter per year. So here we have to write Lioro. Lioro is the wettest, yani marra matar zyada in this here. Okay, investigation. Hair changes length depending on the whether it is wet or dry. Yani sha'r yiji kabir aw saghir kayf al-jaw. Therefore, it is affected by humidity. In more humid or damp places, your hair will be longer. مثلا في الهواء في humidity زيادة يعني في water vapor زيادة your hair will be longer. Plan how you can strand of hair to measure the amount of water vapor in different places. Think about it. How can you safely obtain samples of hair? How you will measure the hair before and after your investigation? How you will compare dry and damp hair? This is an investigation we will do when you will come to school, inshallah, because this is detailed investigation. Would your hair be longer in Africa, Aswan, or Mausenram? Mausenram there is, which is in India. The quantity is 11, 8, 11. So humidity is more from out of these Erica, Aswan, and Mausenram. So we have in Mausenram more than others. So you will write here Mausenram. Mausenram. Mausenram is more humid than the others. Understood? Any problem in this page?
No, teacher, no.
That
No.
is
Sir, I
the-
have a
No.
question. I
Yes.
have a question. Why my syndrome is
Hamid?
the answer?
Because out of Erica, Aswan and Muslim, there is a lot of rainfall. Then these three, Erica, Aswan. If you see Erica, it's 0.8. If you see Aswan, that is 0.8. And Ram, that is 11,811. So this is more. Or this is 11.8811.
Okay.
Got it? If we have like
Good.
Leoro and Ram, so we will write Leoro because there is 13.300. Understand? So here we wrote more than that. Khalid, everyone don't write in chat box, please. Khalid and Omar. Okay, we will move towards next page. That
Sir,
is
I
done.
didn't write.
Who?
Omar Yasser. Me.
Okay, I will send this in your group so that you can write. Okay, no problem.
No, I
Open
didn't write in
next.
the chat.
Oh yes, I know, but other Omar Muhammad and Omar Ala, they are writing. Then Khalid is writing. Okay,
Khalid
now we will read. Okay, Omar Yasir, read this, please. Dry and damp hair. Start from the beginning. From here.
Sir,
Imagine
page
that.
38.
Yes, page 38.
Dry and damp air. Now that air contains water vapor, and when this meets a cold surface, it can condense. The big idea, water vapor moves around in the air very easily. This is why steam can reach the cold window at the other side of a room. If you heat a glass of water until it has all evaporated, the water vapor will fill the whole room.
Yes, nice. Okay, Abdullah Faisal, read. Imagine that.
Yeah, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Imagine that you overhear one of our friends explaining that
Explaining.
the water. Eh, yeah. Yeah, teacher.
Explaining. Friends, explaining that.
Spelling that the water on the window is because the window is leaking. How
Is
can
leaking.
you is leaking? How can you prove to them that
How
the
can you
water
prove them?
prove to them that the water is there because the water vapor in the air has condensed.
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 Draw a diagram in your investigation notebook to explain where the water on the window has come from. The water on the window has come from the air because the air outside that has water vapor, when it touches the surface, cold surface, it condenses and changes into water droplets. Okay. Muhammad Noor.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read.
Okay. When we breathe, air moves into our lungs. It is warm and moist inside our lungs, so the air is heated and picks up more water vapor. When we breathe out, the water vapor spreads
Spread.
into the spreads into the air. When it is cold, some of the water vapor turns into water droplets, and these droplets can be seen. So when it is very cold and we breathe out, we can see a cloud. A cloud is made up of billions of droplets which fall as the rain. When they get heavy enough,
When they get heavy enough. When they get heavy enough, they fall down if they are in clouds. Okay. Umar Yasir or Umar Muhammad, read.
Where, teacher?
Page number 38. This one.
Imagine that you
No, no.
over here.
Okay. Yalla, read.
Imagine that you overhear one of your friends explaining that the water on the window is because the window is leaking. How can you prove to them that the water is there because the water vapor is in the air has condensed?
Yes. So here you can write, this is a cold surface. Okay. Here you can see, you will write here, this is a cold surface. Active है ना, right? This is cold surface. Okay. Then here you can see condensation. So you write like this. This one is condensation. Condensation, yani water droplets. And then where are water vapor? You can see here. Water vapor are in the air, so we can write here water vapor. Okay, write them like this.
Finish.
Water vapor, they touch the cold surface and then we can see condensation, the process of condensation. This is the sequence. Okay. On page number 39, we have a question. Why does a cloud appear when we breathe out in a cold place? Because
Again,
of
please.
condensation. This is the question. Why does a, look here, if you breathe out in cold places, why we see like this, a cloud or a, like steam or whatever you can say.
I know.
Cloud appears
Because
when we breathe out in a cold place because of condensation.
Yes. Condensation.
You can write here because of
finished.
condensation.
Here? Okay.
Then question number 2 is, why don't we see this if the place is warm? Because it does not condense. There is no condensation, so we cannot see that.
Okay.
Water vapor doesn't condense there. You can write like this. Okay, let me make it smaller so we can adjust.
Doesn't.
Water vapor does not condense there. What is the scientific name of water vapor changing into water droplets? Yes, who will tell me?
Condensation.
Water vapor in, yes, excellent. Condensation.
Station.
Excellent, Mr. Omar. Not every Umar, but Umar Allah. Condensation. Okay. Who left? Who did not read?
E. I did not
Me,
read.
teacher, I'm amazing, Sami.
Yes, and read.
Omar Ala.
Umar, wait. Yes, and read this one, this part. We can use.
We can use evaporation to help us keep cool. For example, when runners are are hot, they sweat. The moisture on their skin then evaporates into the air. This uses a lot of energy and cools the runners down.
Cools the runners down. You can try this by wetting your finger and then blowing on to it. It's mean just wet your finger with water and blow. If you do this, write down what you feel and then explain what is happening to the water on your finger. So first of all, you will feel cold, right? So you will write here,
Yes,
my
yes.
finger feels cold. Okay. Because the water is taking heat from my finger to or finger during evaporation. So this is the right thing to write here. My finger feels cold because the water is taking heat from my finger during evaporation. Okay, then this was the part of this question. And here you can see this. This is condensation. You can copy that. Last part of this page, decide whether the following statements are true or false. Air contains water vapor. True or false?
True.
True. So you will write here true. Number one is true. Air contains water vapor. Then humidity affects the length of your hair. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
True.
True. Nice. Number three, we do not breathe out water vapor.
False.
False. Very nice. That's great. Then last, the water leaks out from the glass of iced water on the outside of the glass. Yani water leaks out.
True.
False, false.
Who said
False.
true?
True.
Abdullah
False,
Liham,
false,
sir?
false.
محمد عبد الله اللحام هو اللي قال ترو.
Abdullah
Teacher,
Liham,
false.
انت ما في ركز. This is false.
False. I
How
am
water
author
comes
false.
out? The water vapor from the air condense on the surface of the water, of water glass?
Teacher.
Yes.
I am Abdullah Faisal. I can false.
Yes, very nice. It is false. Abdullah Leham, the question is, on this page, water comes out from the glass from here, yani leak. Moya iti min hena. There is a hole. Is it right? False, because the water condenses outside of surface of the water glass, not leaks out. Understand?
That's it for today.
Yes, teacher, we understand.
Yes,
we
you
have
should
quizzes,
understand.
yes,
Ya
yes.
Habib. Yes, in next class I will.
Teacher,
Yes, yes, yes.
can you send this video
Yes, I will send. But first of all, I should upload on
in
YouTube
the
and
group
I will send you the link. Yes,
Okay.
in the link.
and group? Okay.
Yes,
Teacher,
sure, sure.
teacher, what is the homework?
Just your true false, you just send them to me, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay. See you. I will send you quiz now and we can continue. Okay.
Goodbye.
Asil and
Bye, sir. Bye.
Muhammad Somali, these are absentees, okay? Goodbye.
Sir, I have a question. Can I say it?
Yes, Omar.
No, I'm
Nadeem.
Nadeem, yes.
I'm Nadim. You will do quizzes. I want a regular quiz, not the quizzes.
No, no, no.
I
Quiz.
wanted this challenge.
Okay, I will challenge
I
you
don't
now. Just wait. Goodbye.
When I get a place, I don't want it to change.
No, it's from the software, not from me.
Omar, go to
See
see
you
you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow or after tomorrow. Goodbye.